Hey everyone, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. We're setting up 2 packages today. I just want to share with you the way we do it.
So
Okay.
we'll take a few frames out of here.
So let's get started. Yeah. I got my new fancy knife tool.
Just 2?
No, let's take 4 just to make sure that we can dump them with ease. And let me put my gloves on. These are Chilean bees. I'm excited to have them. Okay, so
¿Cómo está?
tell me. What?
I'm speaking Spanish.
Ah, Spanish, okay. ¿Cómo está? Just to grab this thing.
That's the cone.
That's the cage screen. Okay. Transfer them. Okay, so this is the green. We can, so as you can see here, there's a
Little candy thing.
a little candy which is blocked.
Yeah.
So we take it off like this.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah. So now, we're gonna just dump them. Here, that will release her. Don't worry about it. And then I'm gonna put this frame slowly but surely. Okay. Doesn't need to be perfect. They get it out. Don't worry. And then push this here, and we've got 4, 6, 8, 10. We push the frames like this, the other side as well. Then let me put this, and we could here. Let me get a landing board for them. I got this. You could just put them here. That's fine. They will get out. Okay, and now
Syrup?
just gonna dribble some syrup. Yeah. Okay. And look at this. They started, like lifting their nasenöving, like they're saying this is our hive now. Okay.
Good.
No, this is done. Let's do the other one. Here. Yep. Let's do this. Yeah, that's enough. Let's get the. Put it here. Okay. Yeah, the cages are put to the side. Okay. I got it. Okay. Do you see the queen, guys? She's inside. I mean, it's not easy to spot the queen, but it is what it is. We'll see. We have this. These are drone frames, which is great, and we got, by the way, for those asking, just in case you're wondering, these are actual honey. This is actual honey. So on both sides. So now build up the package. That, let's get the feeder on. Just a dribble of syrup, not a lot, and then syrup here. This one seems definitely stronger, so I'm gonna give it more. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's Okay. Go again?
The ones here haven't found the opening yet.
That's okay. Once they start assembling around the entrance, the rest will follow.
Yeah, look at that. It's like
Yeah.
buffaloes.
So how they march. Oh, okay, this too. How they march. Yeah, good. So we're done, sir.
Okay.
Okay, this is exciting. So we'll see how these. This is our first time using these Chilean bees and queens. We'll see how this goes. Now I need to get some QR codes on both of them, all of them actually.